Salumarada Timmakka. What do you feel when you hear this name? When I first heard it, I felt a gentle breeze, fresh air, calmness, and a strange warmth like standing under the shade of a tree that has protected you for years. We all know how fresh air keeps us healthy. But imagine a woman who lived for 114 years simply because she chose to fill her life with kindness, purpose, and trees. Yes, this is the story of the mother of trees, Salumarada Timmakka. She was born in a small village in Karnataka, not into wealth or comfort, but into simplicity and struggle. As a young girl, she worked hard every day, carrying water, cutting grass, doing labor, but carrying inside her heart full of quiet courage. She grew up, got married to a gentleman called Chikkaiah, and together they dreamt of a simple life. But one dream remained unfulfilled. They had no children. Those were the days when society was harsh and words could cut deeper than pain. But instead of letting sorrow break her, she transformed it into love. One day, she and her husband decided, if we cannot give birth to children, let us give birth to life. With that thought, they planted 10 banyan saplings along a barren roadside near their village. Little saplings, weak, thirsty, fragile. But she cared for them like newborn babies. Every day she walked miles with pots of water, pouring love into the soil. She protected them from animals, from heat, from everything that could harm them. And slowly, leaf by leaf, year by year, a miracle began to grow. 10 trees became 20, 20 became 50, 50 became 100, and finally 385 banyan trees stood tall on a 4-kilometer stretch, a green tunnel of shade, beauty, and life. But that wasn't all. Over her lifetime, Timmakka planted nearly 8,000 more trees of many different kinds, spreading life far beyond just the banyans. Wherever she went, life followed. People asked, why do you plant so many trees? And she would simply smile and say, they're my children. I'm only raising them. The world began to notice the woman who owned almost nothing but gifted a forest to the earth. Awards came, recognition came, but she never asked for any of it. Her joy came from watching her trees sway in the wind like children playing freely. As she grew older, her branches of kindness spread wider. She inspired lakhs of people. She became a symbol of an environmental love, and she continued nurturing plants even in her 90s. Then came the day the world wept. On 14 November 2025, at an incredible age of 114 years, Salumarada Timmakka passed away. It was Children's Day, and the mother of 385 trees left the world on the very day we celebrate hope. But her story did not end. Along the road she once walked barefoot, her trees still stand tall. Their leaves still whisper her name. Their shade still comforts travelers. Their roots still hold the soil together, the same way her kindness held the world together. Salumarada Timmakka teaches us something profound. You don't need money to change the world. You only need a loving heart. Her life is a proof that greatness doesn't come from power. It comes from purpose. It comes from giving. It comes from doing small things with great love. So the next time a gentle breeze touches your face or you stand under the shade of a tree, remember the woman who lived a century and more by giving life to thousands. If this tribute touched your heart, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Page Pulse Bailey, because stories like hers Reminders that the simplest acts can create the biggest miracles. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep planting seeds of goodness wherever you go. Signing off, Page Pulse Bailey. See you next time.